Hey there, ever wondered how some online stores seem to have an endless, unique inventory without actually holding any stock? Or how they manage to fulfill orders seamlessly, even for products halfway across the world? If you've been dreaming of launching your own e-commerce business, but the thought of inventory management, shipping logistics, and supplier sourcing makes your head spin, then you're in the absolute right place. Forget about renting a warehouse, dealing with mountains of products, or even touching a single package. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, and more specifically, we're going to unlock the power of Spocket, your ultimate partner in building a thriving online store. So, you've heard the buzz about dropshipping. It's the business model where you sell products online without ever having to stock them. When a customer buys something from your store, you simply purchase it from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to your customer. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to start an online business with minimal upfront investment and maximum flexibility. And at the heart of this revolution is Spocket. Spocket isn't just another dropshipping app. It's a meticulously curated marketplace designed to connect you with high-quality suppliers, primarily from the US and Europe. This is a crucial distinction. While many dropshipping platforms focus on overseas suppliers, Spocket's emphasis on Western suppliers means faster shipping times, better product quality, and significantly easier returns, all of which translate to happier customers and a more reputable brand for you. Imagine having access to thousands of unique products, from trendy fashion accessories to innovative tech gadgets, all ready to be added to your store with just a few clicks. Picture your customers receiving their orders not in weeks, but in a matter of days. That's the Spocket difference. It streamlines the entire dropshipping process, from product discovery and import to order fulfillment and tracking, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: marketing your store and building your brand. But how exactly does Spocket work? And how do you get started on this exciting journey? That's precisely what this comprehensive guide is all about. We're going to walk you through every step of the Spocket onboarding process, ensuring you're not just set up, but truly empowered to succeed. Let's begin with the very first step: signing up for your Spocket account. Head over to spocket.co and you'll find the Sign Up Free button. It's a quick and straightforward process. You can use your email address or even sign up directly with your Google or Facebook account for added convenience. Once you've filled in the basic details, you'll be prompted to answer a few quick questions about your business goals and current e-commerce platform. Don't worry if you don't have a store set up yet. Spocket seamlessly integrates with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and even Squarespace. Choose the platform you intend to use, or select "I don't have a store yet" if you're still in the planning stages. This initial setup helps Spocket tailor your experience and recommend relevant products and features. Congratulations, you're in. The Spocket dashboard is your command center. It might seem like a lot at first, but let's break it down. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main navigation menu. This is where you'll find everything you need: search products, import list, my products, orders, affiliate program, and settings. The very next crucial step is connecting your online store. You'll typically see a prominent prompt on your dashboard to do this. Click on Connect Store and select your e-commerce platform from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve authorizing Spocket to access your store. This is a secure process that allows Spocket to automatically push products to your store and pull customer orders for fulfillment. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message, and you're ready to start exploring products. Now for the exciting part: finding products to sell. Click on Search Products in the left-hand menu. This is where Spocket truly shines. You'll be presented with a vast catalog of products, but more importantly, you have powerful filtering options to narrow down your search. You can filter by category, price range, shipping location, crucial for ensuring fast delivery, product type, and even by premium suppliers. When browse, pay close attention to a few key details for each product. First, check the estimated shipping times. As we discussed, faster shipping is a major advantage. Second, look at the shipping costs. Spocket clearly displays these, so you can factor them into your pricing strategy. Third, review the product details and images. High-quality images and detailed descriptions are essential for converting visitors into buyers. Finally, always check the supplier rating and reviews if available. This gives you an idea of the supplier's reliability and product quality. Found something you like? Click on the product, and you'll see a detailed view. Here you can add it to your import list with a single click. Think of your import list as a staging area. It's where you gather all the products you're interested in selling before actually pushing them to your live store. You can review them, make adjustments, and then decide which ones to publish. Once you've added products to your import list, navigate to that section. Here, you have the opportunity to customize each product before it goes live on your store. This is a critical step for branding and SEO. You can edit the product title, write compelling descriptions, adjust pricing, and even modify images. Spocket provides a suggested retail price, but you have full control over your profit margins. We recommend setting a competitive price that also ensures a healthy profit for your business. Remember to save your changes after any edits. Once you're happy with your product details, it's time to push them to your store. Simply select the products you want to publish from your import list and click the Push to Store button. Spocket will then automatically transfer these products, along with all their details, to your connected e-commerce platform. Head over to your online store's backend, and you'll see your newly added products ready for customers. Now let's talk about orders. Once a customer places an order on your store for a Spocket product, it will automatically appear in the Orders section of your Spocket dashboard. You'll receive a notification, and all the customer's shipping details will be pre-filled. To fulfill the order, simply click on the order and then select Checkout. Spocket will process the payment with the supplier, and the supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. You'll receive a tracking number once the item has shipped, which you can then provide to your customer for transparency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.